नमस्कार, सादर जय जिनेंद्र। मैं हूं आरजे दिलीप जैन आपके साथ। जैन एकता मंच पॉडकास्ट की इस विशेष प्रस्तुति में पुनः एक बार आपका स्वागत है। हम इस पॉडकास्ट के जरिए हमारे जैन समुदाय के कुछ गणमान्य अतिथि गणों से आपकी मुलाकात करवाते हैं जो बहुत कमाल का काम कर रहे हैं, ताकि हमें प्रेरणा मिले, हमें एक मार्ग मिले, हमें इंस्पिरेशन मिले कि हम भी कैसे उनके साथ जुड़े और इस अच्छे काम को आगे बढ़ाएं। आज हमारे साथ हैं अतुल शाह सर, जैना के प्रेसिडेंट हैं। वेलकम टू द पॉडकास्ट सर।
थैंक यू।
सादर जय जिनेंद्र।
जय जिनेंद्र।
विल स्टार्ट विद योर जर्नी सर। अतुल सर से मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में सवाल पूछने वाला हूं, और ये क्यों कर रहा हूं, आप इनकी जर्नी को जब सुनेंगे तो आपको अपने आप ही समझ में आ जाएगा। तो अतुल सर, विल स्टार्ट विद योर जर्नी। वेयर वर यू born and what was the upbringing like, और कैसे फिर आप जीवन में आगे बढ़े, ये सारी बातें if you can share with us.
So मैं कासोर गांव है वे छोटा सा गांव।
Right.
अभी तो थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, लेकिन छोटा सा गांव when I born, एक इतना छोटा सा कि वहां पर स्कूल भी 7वीं तक चलती थी।
कासोर इन गुजरात।
It's nearby Anand, Pitlad, Sujitra. It's in Kheda Jilla.
खेड़ा जिला। All right, okay.
So at that time, only the education was available until 7th grade. There was no school after that. There was no bus service to go to other place. So we were actually walking almost 4 kilometers every day one way to go to the another village to study for 8, 9, and 10. My father had a small, अनाज करियाना दुकान।
Right.
तो जो उसमें हम 3 भाई और एक बहन सबको वो सपोर्ट कर रहे थे।
प्रोविजनल
स्टोर था। हाँ। तो उससे क्या होता है कि उन्होंने जैसे वैसे करके हमको 10th तक हमको पढ़ाया।
जी जी।
लेकिन आफ्टर दैट क्या हुआ कि हमको बहुत अच्छा फंड मिला, जब वहां से हमको खाने का, हमको रहने का और पढ़ने का सब वो हमको मिलता था महावीर जैन विद्यालय से।
महावीर जैन विद्यालय से ये सारी चीजें प्रोवाइड की
कर। सो हमको इतना अच्छा
उस वक्त आपकी उम्र, आप अराउंड 10th में थे शायद?
हाँ, 10th के बाद,
यानी 15-16 साल की उम्र।
या बराबर है।
Right.
एंड वो लोग फिर मेरी बिकॉज ऑफ माय टॉप रैंकिंग आई गॉट द एडमिशन इन इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज।
Alright.
आई डिड द बी electrical engineering from the BVM in Vidyanagar, nearby Anand. And this was a really good help to all of us from our family from the Mahavir Jain Vidyalaya.
Right.
Otherwise, it could have been not great thing. So right now, I really feel that a lot of organization does the education help. They should continuously do. If you get education, then one person gets education, then one person do not go to the jail. Otherwise, they do different thing and they go to the jail, right? So basically,
they creating that positive change in society when you're giving education or funding education.
Yes. And then, I married to my wife. She came from America. I got a chance to go to America. I did the master's in computer science there. I started working for one company, AT&T, which is a communication company,
right,
like a Geo here.
Right.
So I worked for same company for 34 years.
34 years.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes. And, during the 34 years, I also invested myself into the property, stock market and everything. So
right,
everything was going in parallel for me. And
this was in US.
That was in US. And this is a slowly progress. I went toward the, my wealth.
Right.
In between, I got the chance to do the seva for Jain Center of Chicago, Jain Society of Chicago, जहाँ Jain Temple है, वहाँ पर 1000 people, even car parking है, 84,000 square foot का वो पूरा Jain Center Chicago है। वहाँ पर हम लोग श्वेतांबर, दिगंबर, स्थानकवासी, तेरापंथ, श्रीमद, all this firqa works together, united, comes together. So this type of situation is right now in America, in each and every Jain center in the whole United States and the Canada.
Wow.
And because of these Jain centers and because of this Jain center work together, created Jaina.
Right.
So Jaina started in 1981.
Okay.
Guruji Chitra Banuji and Guruji Susil Maniji came to USA.
Right.
They, talked to the, some leaders,
Right.
and they formed this Jaina in 1981.
Okay.
And Jaina is become strong, united, सब फिरके के साथ लेकर अभी तक वो स्ट्रांग ही स्ट्रांग जा रहा है. और Jaina is the biggest organization outside of India in that covers USA and Canada.
To put it in simpler words, if someone who's a Jain, like for example, I visit the US and I want to follow Jainism way of life, but in US I have no idea, I approach the Jaina center or the Jain center and everything gets sorted, I'll get guidance there.
Yeah, I can give you a little bit on my just activity, what Jaina does.
Yeah.
That you can help get help. But basically, there are almost 71 Jain center in United States and Canada currently.
Wow.
Okay.
How many in US, how many in Canada? You have that bifurcation?
Maybe
Rough bifurcation.
maybe 10, 12 in Canada.
Right. And rest all in US.
Yes, right.
Wow.
And all these Jain center has an umbrella organization called Jaina.
Right.
Jaina is Jain Association of North America.
Right.
And this all Jain center becomes a member of Jaina.
Right.
An individual person becomes a member of that individual Jain center nearby.
Right.
Right.
So in a way they are connected to Jaina.
In a way they connected to Jaina.
Right.
Right. And Jaina does lots of activity. They keep everyone united. Jaina only makes the member to the Jain center only if they follow all the firqa. Means Sitambar, Digambar, so they have to support Sitambar, Digambar, Stanakwasi, Terapan, Srimad, whatever you can say, those are all firqa. Then Jaina makes the member of the Jain center into the Jain.
It's a very important point since हम जैन एकता मंच पॉडकास्ट की बात कर रहे हैं. ये कितनी बड़ी सीखने वाली बात है कि अगर कोई जैन सेंटर ये कहे कि हम सिर्फ श्वेतांबर पंथ के लिए हैं या तेरा पंथ के लिए हैं या दिगंबर के लिए, तो फिर जैना उनको एंटरटेन नहीं करती या वो जैना के अंडर नहीं आ सकते. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि जो जैन सेंटर आपने फॉर्म किया है यूएस में, तो आपको सभी फिरकों को साथ लेकर चलना होगा. यही मकसद है जैन एकता मंच पॉडकास्ट का, और आपका अनुभव इसमें बहुत बड़ा गाइडेंस हमें देने वाला है.
और जैना में दूसरा क्या होता है कि एज 6 to adult, any age,
जी,
they are all involved.
Right.
So we have kids club. 6 age to 13.
Right.
We have Young Jain of America.
Okay.
Their age is 14 to 29.
Right.
So they run their own.
Right.
Under the Jaina, umbrella. And then also there is a Young Jain of Professional.
Right.
They are age 24 to 42. And they also run under the Jaina. So all these, and then everyone is adult, right?
True.
After the 42. So basically Jaina, gives a big power to each this youth, all the professional.
All age groups.
Yes, all age group that the Jaina is giving the opportunity.
And if you can elaborate a little bit about Jaina, you just mentioned that अलग-अलग sectors में काम करते हैं, तो एनवायरनमेंट के लिए, सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के लिए या हेल्थ के लिए, कम्युनिटी बॉन्डिंग के लिए, इन एक्टिविटीज के बारे में अगर आप विस्तार से थोड़ा सा समझाएं.
Jaina has a 46 committee and we are slowly expanding more.
All right.
Out of 46 committee, one is bubble call, one of the thing is humanitarian service. Which where we do the, animal welfare, which is Jeev Daya.
Right.
We also uplifting the, unprivileged Jains.
Right.
We also do the Vayavach, which is Sadhu Sadhvi's, Seva.
Right.
We do also well community service, means that LA had a fire. So what Jaina does, that Jaina sends the newsletter to the 250,000 Jains in throughout the North America, and they give the donation, and then we send the donation for the LA fire. Similarly, we had a Turkey earthquake. We had a Bhuj earthquake.
Right.
We had a lot of catastrophe happen.
Right. Natural calamities whenever happen.
Then Jaina actually gets the money, gets a donation, and then they send the donation to those. So that's well community service. So basically, this is a humanitarian service that Jaina does. Another thing, Jaina has also India Foundation here, which is a Dr. Bipin Bhai Doshi is the president of the Jaina Foundation.
Right.
We also have a magazine called Jain Digest. It comes quarterly. So that is happening. We also print Jaina calendar, which is Jaina calendar goes to 15,000 family every year. And it has a lot of good, pictures of different, Jain temples throughout the world. We cover the, 12 temple every year, and then we cover in that, and we put a lot of other information that related to whatever the Jains need that.
Right.
We have a weekly newsletter. So whenever anyone want to send any information that we do basically send in a newsletter. We have interfaith committee. We have Yatra committee. Yatra committee also takes into the, last year we took it to New Zealand and Australia.
Right.
This April we are taking to Kenya and Tanzania, which covers Jain temples and also some, social thing.
We have Jain temples in countries where you just mentioned.
Yes,
names?
Kenya, Tanzania, we have 10 to 12 Jain temples.
Wow.
We have in Australia, we have in New Zealand, we have in Japan, So we are trying to do also the next year, we are also working on to go take everyone into the Ayodhya, Prayagraj, things like that. So we are continuing, the Yatra committee take care of the, their work.
Right.
We have administrative also the, the committees which does the different things for the administrative technology and all those financing and everything, right? So they also do. We have long range planning committee. They do lots of good work, and they bring small project. When that project becomes a bigger, then that converts into the committee.
Right.
We do convention since 1981.
Wow.
Jains gathers in different city every year, but every odd year we do Jaina convention, which is age 6 to age any age.
Right.
In that this all activity happens, and then every even year we do YJ convention. So this July 4th, almost 1,500 to 2,000 children age of 24 to age of 14 to 29 will gather. They will have a big power. They conduct everything.
Wow.
No other adult involved. They conduct everything. They handle everything. They take care of the whole convention.
Wow.
And then also young Jain professionals, they will be doing the convention later in November. I was a vice president last year, and I did the Jaina convention under my leadership. 5,000 people attended the convention in Chicago.
Wow.
So the big community counts. We take care of each and every area of the things in a convention. We have 22 teams throughout from different Jain center. So you heard about Jain Jeopardy, right? In there, you ask a question, and in a second, person has to give an answer. Right. Similarly, there is a age 6 to age 24 children get asked question that, okay, give me the 7th tattva of 9th tattva.
Right.
So then they have to give answer right away. So any religious venture, they have to answer right away. And there is out of 22, one team wins. So basically, that's called Jain Academic Bowl. We have a matrimonial committee. So they take care of, marrying their husband, finding their soulmate.
Right.
They have veterinary. We have students coming from here as a Jain youth exchange program. So they come for that 3, 4, 5 week, and then they, learn about the, different area. They also do different work, and they also attend the Jaina convention.
Right.
We have student guidance committee. One of the question where you heard that how that, let's say somebody comes in USA or Canada.
Right.
So we have a group of the people in each most city. So then we connect them to that person, this committee connect to them, so then basically they get like basic help that how things happens in USA, where to find a...
So they don't have to figure it out. Initial मुश्किलें नहीं उठानी पड़ती.
Yeah, initial मुश्किलें नहीं उठानी.
आपका जो अनुभव है, that is shared, and experience is valuable.
Yes. We have an academic liaison committee which put almost 24 Jain chair in different university. Jain chair means that जब तक ये यूनिवर्सिटी रहेगी तब तक उनको जैनिज्म का क्लास करना पड़ेगा.
ओके.
सो उसमें हम लोगों ने मेरे ख्याल से $40-50 मिलियन का इन्वेस्टमेंट हुआ उसमें.
जी.
डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटी में.
जी।
We have
ये थोड़ा सा और आप बताएंगे मुझे elaborately this point if you
Sure.
can explain, yeah,
श्योर
कि
सो क्या होता है कि लेट्स सी के हमारे इलिनॉय में शिकागो में एक यूनिवर्सिटी बहुत अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी है, उसमें हमको जैन चेयर रखने, तो हम लोग जाते हैं उनके पास, वो बोलते हैं कि नहीं आप $2 मिलियन दो, हम जैन चेयर रखवा देंगे। सो क्या होता है कि हम 2 मिलियन कहीं से जैनों से
फंड्स करवाते हैं।
फाइंडिंग फंड एंड देन वी गिव देम $2 मिलियन, सो देन दे allow us to put the Jain chair. Jain chair means that, as I said, that जब तक की यूनिवर्सिटी रहेगी तब तक उनको जैनिज्म का क्लास वहां पर सिखाना पड़ेगा।
एक क्लास ऐसा होगा जिसमें जैनिज्म पढ़ा,
सीखना पड़ेगा।
वंडरफुल,
यस,
वंडरफुल,
राइट। एंड आपके बाद इसके बाद लाइक जैन एजुकेशन ब्लॉक कमेटी है, जिसको भी कोई भी प्रश्न है जैनिज्म का, even ritual का or anything, they send a question to them and they will get it answer from anywhere, or they know they will give, otherwise they will get it from someone else.
But this is world over. The query can come from anywhere in
I
world.
think they don't care about that
Where it has
coming
come from.
North America, right? Because the email doesn't say about.
Of course,
So anywhere somebody asks question and they take care of that,
right.
We have a Jaina education, and यहाँ पर क्या होता है, ये वो लोग दूसरा जैनिज्म में पढ़ाएंगे, वो लोग उनका दूसरा कोई करिकुलम है, उनका कोई करिकुलम है, वहां पर
पंथ वाइज आप बताना चाह रहे हैं?
नहीं
हाँ।
पंथ नहीं।
हाँ।
लेट्स सी कि इवन सितंबर में कितने महाराज है, तो हम
हाँ।
अलग अलग हमारे पाठशाला चलाएंगे।
राइट, राइट।
तो हमारे यहाँ पाठशाला ऐसी नहीं चलती। हमारे पाठशाला, आप शिकागो में हो, आप कनाडा में हो, आप ह्यूस्टन में हो,
अच्छा, the syllabus you mean? The syllabus
yes, syllabus is same syllabus. We do, हम लोग सूत्र नहीं सिखाते, लेकिन हम फिलोसॉफी जो जैनिज्म की है वो सिखाते हैं।
Right.
तो जो बच्चों के लिए, और हमारे 9 लेवल की है, सो एज 3 to adult we have 9 levels of the education from.
जिसो जैन एकता महाअभियान से आज ही जुड़े। आगामी 31 मार्च भगवान तीर्थंकर महावीर स्वामी जी के पावन कल्याणक दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर संपूर्ण सकल जैन समाज से करबद्ध निवेदन है कि इस पावन दिवस को जैन एकता दिवस के रूप में मनाएं। जैन धर्म पर आने वाले हर संकट के विरुद्ध एकजुट होकर शक्ति, साहस और एकता का परिचय दें। मतभेद भूलकर एक मंच, एक स्वर, एक संकल्प के साथ समाज को संगठित करें। इस प्रेरणादायक वीडियो को अधिक से अधिक शेयर करें। जय महावीर, जय जिनेंद्र, जैन एकता अमर रहे।